Saad Group, a vertically integrated establishment spanning from spinning to finished goods, boasts unparalleled production capacity, providing a comprehensive solution for both denim and non-denim products under a single umbrella. Saad crafts premium quality cotton sourced from global origins. We are capable of producing cotton spandex, as well as all kinds of multi-blended yarn from 6 to 80s count, featuring 120,000 multifunctional spindles and a monthly capacity of 3,500 metric tons. Saad Group poses as one of the largest spinning facilities in Bangladesh. Saad Group excels in weaving a wide range of woven fabrics, including both denim and non-denim varieties, boasting 1,200 looms, including 220 sets of dobby and 980 sets of air-jet loom. We take pride in our impressive monthly production capacity of 15 million yards. Our processing section, equipped with a world-class testing facility, achieving a monthly production of 10 million yards is routine for us. Specifically, we can produce 5 million yards of solid dye, 1 million yards of yarn dye, and 1 million yards of PFD each month. Saad possesses both rotary and flatbed printing capabilities. With a firm ability, we can achieve 2 million yards through flatbed printing and 2.5 million yards through rotary printing each month. Supporting sustainability to escalate advanced green production lies in Saad's business model. Our innovative R&D design team is prepared to embrace and adapt to new challenges. With a 50-year legacy in the textile industry, we proudly hold the position as the largest denim fabric manufacturer in Bangladesh. Our in-house denim production facility, equipped with state-of-the-art technology, can produce 5.5 million yards of fabric per month. Embracing the latest ozone technology, we adhere to the most eco-friendly processes in the denim industry to meet real demands. We are recognized by world's leading certification body. Considering the current global changes, Saad Group is committed to ensure sustainability in order to meet global goals by 2030. Our ventilation system saves 20% light electricity. Besides, we are generating 1 megawatt renewable energy, reducing 700-ton carbon dioxide emission, saving 300,000 cubic meters of natural gas, and reducing up to 20% water consumption per year. The expertise of employees forms the backbone of Saad's strength. We believe in gender equality, empowering women to contribute alongside men across all stages of production and processing. The driving force behind the extensive operations of Saad Group is also a woman. For employee satisfaction, Saad Group has taken a lot of initiatives. We provide a childcare facility for the children of our employees to ensure their well-being and care. In case of emergencies, we have a dedicated medical center to provide immediate health care to our employees and their families. At Saad Group, we ensure timely electronic salary payments for our staff. The trust and satisfaction bestowed upon us by our customers are deeply cherished and appreciated here at Saad Group. Our quest for a future of sustainable fashion will continue together.